Good morning, welcome to December the 3rd. I'm still working on my adequately sized cup of coffee this morning. I slept weird, so I can't really move this side of neck, shoulders, head. Doesn't really work extremely efficiently, which is unfortunate for today, but we're dealing with it. I already made a lot of jokes about how now I can only look to the right and, you know, conservative and da-da-da. We cannot go through this again because that's just inappropriate. Anyway, alright, welcome to the House of the Rising Sun. This was arguably not the best choice for recording, but I'm adamant about being funny sitting in front of the window. So now my matching nails and tracksuit is a... oh god, this hurts. You can do this, Linda. This is a coincidence. I think everyone should have a matching tracksuit in their wardrobe because I think it's just fun. But yeah, yesterday I chose this nail color and I sort of like lounge about in this. So happy coincidence. We're starting with a different primer. It has been extremely popular in the UK lately. It has a little like a contour to it. I hope it doesn't work like a concealer. We'll see. We'll complain later. It has a creamy texture and I naturally put too much on my lid. That's fine. Not my bottom lid. Go away. Right, so this morning I made a lot of jokes about only looking to the right now. My family doesn't always think I'm funny, but they know better, so they just indulge me, tolerate me, which I consider very loving. And then I was reading the news a little bit and I understand that Vlogmas is a lot about escaping and not really facing reality, which I'm definitely subscribed to. I just wanted to say, look how much I've got left. So, I guess I just want to say that about the news in the States, France, Middle East. If you feel a lack of hope, a little bit of despair, just know that you're not alone, and just because the people that care, I consider myself as one of them, just because we don't have a solution for right now, for tomorrow, it doesn't mean that we don't have a way forward. And it's, you know, the inclusion, it's the love and kindness that we have been using to change humanity in the past couple of years, and it's been working. And just because now it seems like all hope is lost, it doesn't mean that it's over. So that's my message for December the 3rd. We're going back to 2019. Oh my god. Naked3. It's a palette of really nice nudie and shimmery, glittery, metallic shades. It's 12 of them. It normally comes with a brush. I don't have this one, I remember, but I've got the other Urban Decay, so I'll show you next time. Normally comes with a brush, and I actually consider the brushes really great. I don't think they're that bad. I'm sure that there's an army of people that would disagree with me, but look, not everything is perfect. I've got some calls that I want to look somewhat like put together for. Unfortunately, this is quite a limitation of being able to move the shoulders. So I was thinking of an eyeliner today, but we'll see how that goes. So we're gonna start with this light pink, then we're gonna use this a little bit of nudie, and then we're gonna play with the shimmer with the rose glitters, one of them, as we go. So yeah, so we're gonna set the lid with a shade that is called Limit. Today, people, today, we can do this. It's just today, you know? Because I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and everything is going to be fine. Even if I have to will myself into being fine. I'll do it. Eyebrows. Before I go into the core, I'll make sure that I fill in the eyebrows. So I've set the lid, sort of, kind of, with the like a nudie grey pink called Limit. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of a darker corner here, and I'm gonna go in with a shade called Nooner. This hurts so much. Just yesterday I got asked, how is my Christmas shopping going? I'm done. You're done? No shade, honestly, I just cannot shop in December. I just feel like everything is crazy, everyone is out there, and I am lucky enough to be able to go to the shops during the day. I can make my work quite flexible that way. I can make my schedule as I need it, but I just, like, my anxiety cannot deal with all the people there. In December it starts being really, really crowded. So I just like to, you know, get everything done with and then just enjoy our Christmas. Have my tree up, almost all my decorations. And by almost all, I mean, I still go into the shops and I just pick up random stuff. I know that Urban Decay eyeshadow palettes, there was a lot of discourse as in like the eyeshadows are patchy, they're too powdery, dusty, they don't really hold up. I think it's the primer thing. I think if you have a good primer, it holds very well. Now, this is my very uneducated me, but I think it's so far it's going great. So I want to go pinkish today. I mean, shocker. So I'm gonna use this eyeshadow called Buzz, and I'm gonna go over the inner half. I'm gonna start at the bottom of the lid and I'm gonna work my way up, sort of. I don't want to go over the brow bone, so I only want to keep the glitter on my lid. Now, if you want to go for something a lot more, like if you want to make sure that the glittery eyeshadow really makes an appearance, you can go in with a layer of primer or concealer, but I just want to create the illusion, sort of. I want both the eyeshadows to marry into each other, blend into each other. Listen, House of the Rising Sun with the dysfunctional left half of Linda. Not really great day, but you know what? Sometimes we have to work with what we've got. I cannot really reschedule. I cannot really say no. Well, I can, but I don't want to. I want to go ahead and commit. This is not really life-threatening. It's just a massive discomfort. And honestly, a great excuse for not going to gym. Not that I don't love gym. Just in case Coach is watching. Love gym. Love her. But you know what, people? I think we need to move this circus. A little internet magic. Welcome back. I know. Back to makeup. So we've got the limit to set the eyelid, the nooner in the outer corners, and then we've got the buzz going in the middle. I'm gonna make sure that I went through it. So I really don't want to take it too far. I only want to keep it sort of on that inner corner. I'm gonna gently buff it, and then I'm gonna go back into nooner and just tidy the crease. Okay, all right, very happy with that. I want to make my eyes to look nice on camera so that people are going to be seeing me like that. The light is going to be shining this way, so everything that reflects sort of goes into the corner and then bounces off the nose shade and then goes sideways. So I want to make sure that this part is going to be slightly lighter and this is going to be slightly darker. So for this part, I'm going to go back with the nooner, but for this part, I'm going to use the shade Strange, and I'm going to like alternate between those two. I'm gonna use a little bit of both. Glimmery pink is called Dust. So I'm just gonna get both on my brush and I'm just gonna gently put that on. That is just going to end up being just like a light undershade with glitter, so that it really is going to reflect light very easily. Okay, and I'm not dragging it into my corners per se. I'm going to use a highlighter for that. I'm back with nooner and just lightly make sure that the eyelid is sort of, that the shades connect. Oh good, we have sun creeping in here too. I'm gonna get the blinds. So I want to just do a little bit of concealer for my under eye. So I'm gonna start with this darker one. Shocker, I've got Fenty Beauty Bright Fix, Fenty Beauty in Deeper Butter, and Fenty Beauty in Rose Quartz. Again, white nail polish, so that I know that it's mine. I don't know why I keep dropping nail polish on everything. I could just like use nail polish remover and to remove it, but hey. And we're also going to use the lighter one to tidy our eyeshadow shape. Not doing a massive layer, not on my nose anyways. Not doing a massive layer, so I'm not on like a piercing light camera and it just needs a little bit of help. Grand. And now with the lighter one, with the rose quartz. I guess you could use brush. I don't use a concealer brush for that, and I just use my fingers. Listen, fingers are your friends, if you know what I mean. It's fine. Okay. Sort of like tidying this part. Good. And the inner corner, also good. Now I would do an eyeliner, but with the arm I really cannot. So we're gonna leave an eyeliner for tomorrow. We're gonna finish off with mascara and powder. So mascara, we're still sticking with the Rare Beauty. That's that. That must be that because I cannot hold my arm up any longer. I'm gonna use my brush, go into the Rose Rave highlighter, get a bunch, apply a little bit to my corners. Nothing drastic, just playing with light. Physics is amazing. It's your best friend. So we're just doing a little bit and we're gonna do the powder. So I've got, very recently, I got this Laura Mercier loose setting powder. If I am 100% honest with you, I got it because it has a rose gold lid. Look, like it's so cute. Again, I buy minis because I don't really use that much powder. The unfortunate bit is that they don't have a mini puff, or they didn't have at that time. But so the idea of using a puff is that you really can press the powder into your skin, into your pores, meaning light does no longer penetrate that essentially. So it becomes blurred on camera because the light cannot get into the pore. You know, the shadow play of light would make that pore appear. So I start with under eyes. I don't know how much you can see on camera, but as in it's blurring, but I think it's really great. Whether that is 75% placebo or not, I cannot tell you. I'm just really happy with it. Just press it really hard, you know, too, and then lovely forehead, and then the rest is a lot lighter application for me. What do you think, Chad? We happy with the powder? It does have like a little bit of a rose tone to it. I genuinely love it. So we're done with the face. Now I'm gonna try to put something a little bit more representative, and I'll see what I need to do with my hair, and I'll get you a final shot. But just in case I forget to say that, thank you for sticking out till the very end. Welcome to day 3, and I hope you have a great one. I'll use a little bit of bonding oil to make my hair a bit sleeker, and I have this universal like rib top. It has a collar, so it looks very smart, and you can sort of like, I have like a universal cardigan that I can throw over my shoulders. I have a jacket that I can put on just in case, but this is me for the cause. I think previous Linda did a good boy, so we don't have to do this. Like, well, we'll see each other again. All right, I'll see you for day 4 tomorrow. Bye.